पानी आ गया है, सब तशरीफ लाओ, अपने बाल बच्चे, खवातीन और बुजुर्ग भी जेडे बीमार भी ने, वो भी मेहरबानी करके और अपना कुछ जरूरी सामान भी और खान पीन दियां चीज़ा वगैरह भी अपने और मेहरबानी करके सब अपना महफूज मकाम पे पहुंच जान। मेरे पास है जूता तो इसका कपड़ा दे
जी खुदाया केड़ा केयर पे क्या मेरे खुदाया मुझे चप्पल
Caritas Pakistan Karachi conducted a simulation drill with DMC members and volunteers. The aim of the training was to enhance the disaster preparedness skills of DMC members and volunteers, and also to review all previously provided trainings. In the simulation drill, DMCs and volunteers participated from 4 areas including Lalukate, Sadek Naga, Kusar Niazi and Shabaz Got. Shabaz Got also performed the duties of hosting. In this training, the skills of the participants were enhanced through dialogues, drama and question and answer. Topics like evacuation, safer places, early warning system, prevention mitigation, preparedness, response and recovery were covered in the simulation drill. Mr. Sarfraz Anwar was the main facilitator of the simulation training. He explained in a very enjoyable and simple way that how to protect the valuables and how to carry them while moving to the safer places. Mr. Mansha Noor, Executive Secretary, Caritas Pakistan Karachi, also performed facilitation duties and highlighted the early warning system and mitigation. Participants from Lalukate, Sadek Naga, Kosar Niazi asked questions on various topics related to DRR from the host region. DMC of Shibaz Got explained through an act how to give first aid in case of sudden injury. All the participants were unaware of this act and they believed it to be the truth. After the simulation exercise, DMC members and volunteers have enhanced their skills to deal with hazards and risks in their respective areas. Mr. Mansha Noor congratulated all the participants by concluding the simulation drill. He appreciated the efforts of Mr. Sarfraz Anwar for organizing the simulation drill in a meaningful way. He urged the DMCs to repeat the same simulation in their respective area with the community and remaining team members. He also appreciated Shehbaz Got's DMC members for hosting the simulation and all the arrangements.